Bathed in the glow of a laptop screen, a figure immerses themselves in a world of market research where animated graphics reveal the secrets of trending products. The narrator emphasizes the golden rule of market research, choosing the right niche. Market research is key. In a vibrant studio, a content creator stands poised before the camera, ready to captivate viewers with an engaging product review. A large screen looms behind, its vibrant display underscoring the mantra. Content is king. Create engaging and informative material. A split-screen comparison vividly illustrates the stark contrast between stellar and subpar product reviews, driving home the message of excellence. Inside the bustling digital marketing agency, a symphony of creativity unfolds, each team member meticulously crafting campaigns across a multitude of platforms. Animated graphics dance vividly across screens, illuminating the agency with real-time social media engagement, email marketing metrics, and pulsating website traffic. On-screen text boldly proclaims, "Promotion strategies. Maximize your reach," underscoring the agency's relentless pursuit of impactful marketing solutions. A whirlwind of affiliate marketing success unfolds, painting a vibrant portrait of lavish lifestyles intertwined with the stark, undeniable metrics of booming sales. On-screen text boldly proclaims, "Driving sales and increasing revenue." The power of affiliate marketing, echoing the promise of limitless potential.